Good day, boys. Are we continuing? We're doing Maths 2. That's in your Maths 2 book. We are doing geometry and we're doing 3D shapes. In last class, let's review what we did in last class. We did some of the 3D shapes. We did first the cube. We also did the cuboids, the quality of the cuboids. Right? And when we did those shapes, we introduced some words. We had edge. We had vertices. And we had faces. So let's review what these are. We said when we speak about face, we are talking about these faces like this. Face. Alright, so we talked about the face. Faces, right? We talked about the edge. And we said that the edge are where two faces meet, right? These are the edges here. Alright, these are the edges. And then we talked about vertex or vertices, where three edges meet, makes a vertex, a point. Alright, we call those a vertex, more than one vertices. So we did that. And we also did, and we recorded how many faces. Remember, the cube has 6 flat faces, no curve faces. It had 12 edges and 8 vertices. Also, the cuboid had 6 flat faces, no curve faces, 12 edges, and 8 vertices. Today, we're going to look at some new shapes. So let's put these away. We're going to look at this one. What is this? Hint. Ice cream. And look at this one. It's flat here, it's flat here, and it's and then we have this one, which is shaped like a bowl. So what are the name of these shapes? We have first one here, a cylinder. I'm sure you have seen some other things in the environment that may shape like this. We have, I don't know, some of you may still have water barrels at home, or even a steel drum. Steel pan would be a cylinder, or even your water tanks. We have this one here. I gave you a hint earlier. It's a cone. A cone. And this last one is we are quick to call it a ball, but it's the real shape. Name of it is a sphere. Right? We have other things in the environment. We have the moon is a sphere. The earth is a sphere. Basketball, a tennis ball, all of these things are spheres. So now let's look at the qualities of these objects. All right, so let's put them here for a while. Let's bring back in our table that we were doing. Let's look at the cylinder. So how many flat faces does the cylinder have? Let's look at it. How many? 1, 2. How many flat faces? It has 2 flat faces. How many curved faces does it have? Curve means going around a circle, Let's look at it. It's one continuous face. So that's one curved face. One. Edges. Remember where two faces meet. So we have a face here, and a face here. So we have a face here, and this curved face. So where do we have the edge? Edges are here. We have one edge. Turn it over. We have two. So how many edges we have in the cylinder? We have two edges. Vertices. Do we have any vertices? Huh? No, we don't. We don't have any points. We have no vertices, so we have none. Can it roll? Yes. All right. Let's move on to our cone. How many flat faces do we have in the cone? We have one. Only one flat face. How many curved faces do we have? We have one. One continuous face. We have one. How many edges do we have? We have one continuous edge here. That's it. Where this face meets this face. How many vertices do we have? Points. We have one. Can it roll? Yes, it can. All right, let's move on to the last one, our sphere. All right. How many flat faces does this have? Any? Zero. How many curved faces does it have? One continuous curved face. How many edges? Any edges? There's only one face, so there's no where that two faces could meet. There's only one face. So no edges. Any vertices? No. Any sharp points? No. Can it roll? Yes. So here we have again our cone, our cylinder, and our sphere. All right, and we looked at the qualities of them. We said the cylinder has two flat faces, one curved face, two edges, no vertices, and it can roll. The cone has one flat face, one continuous round face, and one vertice. All right, and yes, it can roll. We looked at our cube. Our sphere. Still getting old. Our sphere, it has any flat surfaces? Faces? No. Any curved faces? Yes, that's one. One continuous face. Any edge? No. Any vertices? No. Can it roll? Yes. Alright, so these are our basic shapes. We have some more we'll do, but these are what we're doing for now. I'm going to send you a video that also explains this a little more. Okay, boys? Hold on.